wherever you are. We are with you.
The healthcare landscape is changing, and so are the services and programs being offered by Hosparus Health. GDL's Nailah Spencer has more.
If you're looking for a way to give back this holiday season, Hosparus Health is a great way to support your community locally and give back. So Hosparus Health works to provide hospice and palliative care for families and individuals in need. Right now, I'm with Chief Medical Officer Dr. Bethany Snider. She's going to give us more information about everything that they do here. So how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. It's great to be with you all.
Yes, I'm excited to hear all about Hosparus Health. Let's jump right into it. What is the care Hosparus provides, and why is it so important?
So Hosparus Health was founded over 40 years ago to provide hospice care, and we've been through a great evolution during that time. So we really are here to support those with serious illness, that's children and adults alike. The reason it's so important is our care really gets to the heart of what matters most to people. We come alongside them through this journey with their serious illness, and we seek to optimize their quality of life. I think if the pandemic has taught us anything, is that's what's most important, and we are your experts to provide that to the community.
Yes, and I can imagine that it's a very personal thing working with these families. You become really close with them and invested in their lives, obviously. Let's talk about the type of care that you all provide for patients. Tell me about the services you offer.
Absolutely. So we do serious illness care, palliative care. We have a pediatric program called Courageous Kids, our hospice program, and then grief counseling. So we really try to cover the whole continuum of things that serious ill patients are facing. So when you think about that, there's often a confusion around what's palliative care versus hospice. Palliative care is for anyone at any stage of an advanced illness that just needs a little extra support or education or symptom control, whereas hospice is that benefit we know and love to support those nearing the end of their journey, and we wrap those families with experts, nurses, social workers, chaplains, physicians, nurse practitioners, CNAs, and volunteers, just to really not only support the patient, but support the entire family and those that they love. And I think that's the beauty of the philosophy of care that we provide. It's not just about the patient, it's about all that care about them and love them.
That's amazing. So I know that Hosparus Health was founded on the principles of giving back. You all started with a lot of volunteers initially. So let's talk about, if people do get involved, where did the dollars spent? How does it help Hosparus?
Absolutely. So Hosparus Health is a not-for-profit organization, and our mission is to enhance the quality of life for those facing serious illness. That includes caregivers, loved ones, community partners. So dollars raised go 100% back into the community. Some of the programs that are a reflection of our great community support are our Pediatric Courageous Kids program, our inpatient unit. So we're very blessed to have a 27-bed inpatient unit in downtown Louisville to support those that have acute needs when they're in hospice care, as well as our newest program, which is our palliative program. You'll hear us brand that as Hosparus Health Partners, and that's where we support those with serious illness. So these dollars have allowed us to do these expanded offerings because we saw a gap in the community and we wanted to help fill that gap.
That's amazing. And as far as like the volunteer opportunities, what kind do you all have?
We always have need for volunteers. So the beauty of the design is it was created 40 years ago on volunteers. So we use them patient-facing, we use them with events, we use them in our offices, and we always need more. So if it's a short-term volunteer opportunity or even long-term, we've had volunteers with us for decades.
Wow.
We always are seeking support from the community in those ways in addition to donations.
That's amazing. And for people out there that are looking for places that they can donate to or volunteer at, why should they come here to Hosparus Health and help out?
There is no greater blessing than to help those facing serious illness or at the end of their lives. Every day you learn to be more grateful for what you have as you walk with these patients. And so I can't imagine a better organization to support when you're looking to serve the community.
Yes, and for people that do want to become active here and help out, donate, whatever way they can, what's the best way for them to get in contact?
So they can call us at 502-456-6200 or go to our website, hosparushealth.org, and there's a way to sign up to volunteer to support us or to donate to the organization.
Coming up on Great Day Live, we'll introduce you to Susan Allen and how Hosparus Health stepped in when her family needed it the most. We're coming right back.